Welcome students to the next topic of nationalism in India. Today we will complete from page number 58 to 60 and we'll discuss about the rebellion in countryside. Under this I will show you the movement of peasants in Awadh as well as the tribal peasants movement in Andhra Pradesh. These two incidents, these two movements both the moments are very important. 5 mark question, 3 mark question, 1 mark question also can come from these two topics. So these two topics only I wanted to teach you people today, and please understand carefully. Then afterwards you have to read the topic also from the textbook. So let us discuss about the peasants movement in Awadh. Why the people of Awadh or the peasants of Awadh they revolted? Who was the leader? What was his impact? All these three things we should know. Right? So our peasants, they started a movement under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra. Baba Ramchandra, he was a sannyasi who he returned from Fiji. Fiji, that was an island nation, that was also under the control of Britishers. They are having their own, they were their plantation, and many workers also they took from India to Fiji for works. So this Baba Ramchandra, he was an indentured labor. What is the meaning of indentured? If you want to know the meaning of indentured labor detailedly, then you may please go to the page number 33 of your history textbook, Nationalism Movement in Indo-China. In that chapter 33 page side में आपको दे रखा है इंडेंचर्ड लेबर के बारे में. वैसे मैं आपको बताता हूँ इंडेंचर्ड लेबर मीन्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस में जो लेबरिंग करना. In this laboring way, the labor is not having any power and all rights, enormous rights, powers with the laborers. Laborers means अगर मैं लेबर हूँ, मुझे जो हायर करने वाला, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लेने वाले, उनको पावर है. अगर वो चाहे तो मुझे जेल भी भेज सकते हैं. ये कंडीशन है इंडेंचर्ड लेबर. 3 साल के लिए, 4 साल के लिए जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में मेरे को काम करना पड़ता, that is indentured labor. So he was an indentured labor and he came from Fiji and he took this leadership, जो led to the this Awadh peasant movement. And what happened? What was the problem of the peasants? Why they revolted? That also we should know. The Awadh peasants, their revolt was against this talukdars and their landlords. Talukdars, they were the officials of the British government. Landlords, Indian landlords, zamindars. And these people, they revolted against these two groups, talukdars as well as the landlords. Because one is taking exorbitant rent. Poor peasants, they are not having much land, so they have taken the land of these zamindars. And they have to pay a huge exorbitant rent to these people. Apart that, they have to pay different type of cesses. Cesses means taxes to the talukdars. So they are totally worried. They are unable to pay that much of amount. Apart that, they have to do begar. What is begar? Begar means they have to give work in the landlord's field as well as their house without any payment. मतलब काम करो पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. Suppose मैं लैंडलॉर्ड है, मैं आपको लैंड दिया है, you are the farmer peasant and you are working in that field. मुझे रेंट भी दे रहा है. Along that you have to come to my house and do the household activities also. But I will not give any payment to you. मैं कोई पेमेंट आपको नहीं देंगे. That is known as begar. So they were not at all ready to do this begar and all. And such oppressive जो measures जो लैंडलॉर्ड कर रहे हैं उसके अगेंस्ट में वो उसका डिमांड वही है. ये सब कुछ they wanted to boycott this oppressive activities करने वाला जो आपका लैंडलॉर्ड को boycott करना चाहता है. And they wanted to abolish this begar बंद करना है. And revenue means tax should be reduced, rent should be reduced. ये सब कुछ उसका डिमांड है. For that only they revolted. Understood? And support में नाई और धोबी, वहां का उस एरिया का नाई और नाई means barbers and washermen, and they also supported these people and they decided that we will not render the service to these landlords. हम उसके साथ उसको सर्विस नहीं करेंगे, मतलब कोई काम नहीं करेंगे उनके साथ. वी आर सपोर्टिंग द पर्सन्स. इस तरह एक बड़ा सा मूवमेंट शुरू हो गया, मूवमेंट शुरू हो गया. एंड कांग्रेस केम टू नो अबाउट ऑल दिस मूवमेंट. दे आल्सो हैव मतलब डिसाइडेड टू टेक द चांस. सो जवाहरलाल नेहरू, he toured the village and he discussed the grievances of the farmers. पेशेंट्स का ग्रीवेंसेस, दुख के बारे में, उसका प्रॉब्लम के बारे में डिस्कस किया. एंड देयर इन 1920 देयर फॉर्म्ड औध किसान सभा. औध किसान सभा. द लीडर्स वेयर अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ जवाहरलाल नेहरू, बाबा रामचंद्र and some few other leaders. Under this leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru and Baba Ramchandra, the leaders, they formed Audh Kisan Sabha. Within a month, near about 300 branches of Audh Kisan Sabha that spread in surrounding villages. Congress become very happy because movement is going to start. Non-cooperation movement is going to start in 1921. So better is that we are accommodate these peasants also. But one thing you should remember, that the peasants' notion is something different. Their demands were different. But they joined with the Swaraj movement. Swaraj movement. They are also calling Swaraj. Right? And but the way the movement started, the way the peasants acted, that was not at all accepted by the Congress leaders. They were unhappy. What was the reason why the Congress leaders unhappy with the peasants movement in Awadh? When 1921 when the movement start हो गया था, and these peasants of Awadh, they started to attack talukdas as well as landlords. Attack, non-violence is not an agenda, और उसका agenda में है नहीं है non-violence, violence. I'm sorry, violence. But these people started violence. They attacked this talukdas as well as the landlords. They looted the bazaars. And hoarded grains को भी ले लिया, distribute कर दिया सबको. And local leaders of peasants, and they told the other peasants not to pay any tax. Not to pay any tax, and the land is going to redistribute to you people. This is said by महात्मा गांधी जी. महात्मा गांधी का नाम लेकर के उन्होंने बोला कि टैक्स नहीं देना. महात्मा गांधी ने बोला no need to pay the tax. And because land is going to redistribute you, ये land तुम्हें वापस मिलेगा. Understood? मतलब लूटना शुरू कर दिया. जो लैंडलॉर्ड से जो जहां पर उन्होंने होर्ड करके रखा था ग्रेन्स वगैरह, उसको छीन के सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. बाजार वगैरह लूट लिया, हाउसेस अटैक कर दिया. बहुत बड़ा सा मारामारी. All the actions and aspirations in the name of Mahatma Gandhi. हर चीज जो भी करेगा, हर चीज का जिम्मेदार कौन है? महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा किसने बोला था? महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी है हर चीज में. महात्मा गांधी ने से कुछ बोला ही नहीं तो लूट लो. महात्मा गांधी ने ये नहीं कहा है तुमने अटैक कर लो, मारो पीटो. महात्मा गांधी ने ये नहीं बोला कि तुम सबको बोलो कि लैंड मिलेगा, टैक्स मत दो. कुछ नहीं बोला. बट ऑल द एक्शंस एंड एस्पिरेशंस in the name of Mahatma Gandhi. That is why Congress, the leaders of Congress were unhappy with this movement. Right? And moving into the next movement, that is the tribal movement. This happened in Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh का Gudem Hills में हुआ है. And before that, why they started the movement? Or who was the leader of this? What was the impact? Leader was led by Alluri Sitaram Raju. Alluri Sitaram Raju आज भी उनका आंध्र प्रदेश में उसी एरिया में ट्राइबल फिगर है. इन सबको कैन से फोक टेल्स में जो आपका इनका कहानी और पॉइंट्स वगैरह आज भी है, फेमस है Alluri Sitaram Raju. बट उससे पहले हम बोलेंगे कि मूवमेंट क्यों हुआ है. बिकॉज द मूवमेंट वाज अगेंस्ट द कॉलोनियल लॉस, फॉरेस्ट लॉस. You must have learned the 9th class about the forest laws. Protected forest, reserved forest and all the things, isn't it? Right? तो इस जो फॉरेस्ट लॉ में आपको पता है ब्रिटिश लोगों ने अपोज किया था कि जो ट्राइबल पीपल को, मीन्स वहाँ का जो विलेज को एक्सेस करने के लिए, फॉरेस्ट आइटम्स एक्सेस करने के लिए मना किया है. एंड द टोटल लाइवलीहुड ऑफ द ट्राइबल्स इज एसोसिएटेड विद द forest only. Now they are unable to move into the forest. They were unable to collect the firewood and berries and other things. Apart that, they were restricted from the rituals They're having different type of rituals in the forest that also unable to do perform. So they're totally problematic. They are having the problem. That is why they revolted, right? And restricted in the entry into the forest. So they use violence to counter forest laws. Forest law को counter करने के लिए, उसको oppose करने के लिए they started violence. And this Alluri Sitaram Raju, he was a disciple of Mahatma Gandhi, not completely. A disciple of Mahatma Gandhi means he was totally fascinated towards the Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and his teachings. That is why he also explained that his people regarding the boycott of this British goods and use khadi and give up the alcohols. Mahatma Gandhi का teachings है, give up the alcohols. ये सब अपने लोगों को भी इसने बोल दिया है. But he was against this non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi instructed about the non-violence, but he was not at all a supporter of non-violence. बाकी सब महात्मा गांधी का जो टीचिंग से सब एक्सेप्ट कर दिया, खादी को अपनाया, बॉयकॉट कर दिया फॉरेन आइटम को, एंड सब कुछ, मतलब दारू पीना बंद कर दिया, है ना, ये सब कुछ किया, लेकिन नॉन वायलेंस को उसने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. व्हाई? बिकॉज उनका विचार ये है कि जो वायलेंस से, violence was the only method to liberate a country from Britishers. If we wanted to liberate this country from the British foreign rule, we should use violence. That is why they performed guerrilla warfare. Guerrilla warfare. Gudem Hills, Andhra Pradesh, these tribal people, they started guerrilla warfare. What is guerrilla warfare? गुरिल्ला की तरह अटैक करेंगे और मारेंगे सबको. नो, गुरिल्ला वारफेयर मीन्स जो शिवाजी महाराज ने करते थे ना, इमीडिएट अटैक, जो एनिमी उनको पता ना चले, एकदम से अटैक कर दिया, लूट लिया, मार दिया, भाग गया. And this Alluri Sitaram Raju, he was very famous in that Andhra Pradesh, those places. The followers considered him as the incarnation of God. Incarnation means avatar. भगवान का अवतार है. Why? Because he is having some magical powers. He is able to heal the people. And even bullet shots से अगर आगे उसको भी ठीक कर सकता है. And also some astrological predictions also. Predictions. कुछ predictions करेंगे. So that is why people totally fond of this person and considered himself as the this person as the incarnation of God. ईश्वर का अवतार है, भगवान का अवतार है. इसने उनका बात सुन लिया. And they started to revolt against the British officials. And this person, under his leadership, the tribals attacked the police stations. They killed so many British officials. British लोगों ने इस तरह से सुंदर बन गया. Alluri Sitaram Raju and his followers. At last, British captured this Alluri Sitaram Raju in 1924. Don't forget this name here. 1924 they captured Alluri Sitaram Raju and executed. फांसी लगा दिया. Because that type of guerrilla warfare में इतना बहुत सारे officers को मार दिया गया है. Right? So these two topics you please understand. Okay? दोनों में क्या है? आपको peasants movement, Awadh peasants as well as the tribal peasants. This is in Awadh, Andhra Pradesh. This is in Awadh. Right? इन दोनों में reason क्या है? इसमें फॉरेस्ट लॉ की वजह से, इसमें आपका बेगार हो गया, एक्सॉर्बिटेंट रेंट हो गया, और आपका ऑपरेसिव मदर्स, ये सब कुछ है. और लीडर्स कौन है? बाबा रामचंद्र और आपके यहाँ पे अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू. राइट? एंड बेगार क्या होते हैं इसमें मीनिंग, इंडेंजर्ड लेबर क्या होते हैं, इसका डेफिनेशन पढ़ना है. इधर भी आपको गोरिल्ला वारफेयर के बारे में बताया गया है, वो पढ़ना है. एंड why this Alluri Sitaram Raju popular, उसके बारे में, वो लीडर के बारे में आपको बताना चाहिए वो क्यों पॉपुलर है. having some जो magical powers, predictions, astrological predictions करते हैं, incarnation of God लोग बोलते हैं, मीन्स अवतार है. बाबा रामचंद्र, वो he was an endangered labor, he came from Fiji, right? और किसान सभा, ये सब इसमें बोलना है, बाकी इसमें बोलना है. I hope you understood these two topics, small topic only. I am giving these two topics separately because this is very important. You should understand and read, and I will do the questions also साथ में. So you should write the answers also. Read the chapter, read the topic, or write the answers from the lecture only. You have to write answers, right? Not from any refresher or use NCERT book. and take my you can take my question and answers you can search from the NCERT book only. If you have any problem, having any problem to find out the answers, please contact me. Thank you.